I lost $100,000 in one trade, so you don't have to. See, there's mistakes that we all make. And I've made some mistakes in the market, and I've taught hundreds of thousands of people, but I made a big mistake early on in 2020, 2021 in the markets. And I'm going to share with you some of those mistakes that I made and how to avoid them. And most importantly, in a simple, practical way. And most importantly, this is lesson 10, top 10 mistakes. Here we go. So everyone makes mistakes starting out. The goal isn't zero mistakes. It's making fewer than everyone else. Learning from other people's mistakes so you don't have to make them. That's the purpose of you watching this video and finishing through. As I share with you, mistake number 8 is really going to be interesting. Now, when you get into crypto, there's got to be a plan. You know, what does it look like? Are you buying because it's a good moment? Are you buying because of the hype? Is there a timeline? Like, you got to have that plan. Okay, you got to understand why it happens, right? Excitement moves faster than planning does. So you getting into crypto because your friend made some money on a meme coin is not a plan, okay? So here's the fix. Before you buy anything, decide why you're buying, how much, and how long you're planning to hold, okay? Having this mindset of, oh, I got to get rich. This is mistake number 2. I got to get rich now. Well, why? How? It's not going to happen. So let's just eliminate that mentality. Here's what it looks like, though. Expecting crypto to transform your finances overnight. I really don't work with these people, so please don't apply to work with me. Okay. Now, why it happens is you hear these success stories. It creates unrealistic expectations. You see people flexing these demo accounts and this fake lifestyle. And remember, mistake number 1 is people get into crypto with no plan. A lot of them get in with no plan because they have this mentality and then there's no plan attached to it. So here's the fix for both. Treat this long term. Treat this as a long-term skill you're building, not a lottery ticket. Here's mistake number 3. Buying because of hype. Buying because you saw a post. Buying because you saw somebody else have success. You know, buying whatever's trending. If something is trending on Twitter or X or Facebook, it's most likely time to sell. Now, why does it happen? The fear of missing out overrides research. It overrides logic thinking. And how you fix this is you understand a coin or a stock before you own it, not after. Mistake number 4, you invest that rent money. You invest that emergency fund to buy crypto. Go watch my video on how to build a budget. It's on my channel. Now, why does this happen? It's because you're confused. You got to make sure you have certain things in order and you're investing in the process. Now, the fix is only ever use money you can genuinely afford to lose. All of my stuff can go to zero. My stock account, my crypto account. I'm going to be very sad, but it's not going to destroy my life. And that's most importantly why you have to take profits on the way up. Mistake number 5 is leaving everything on exchanges. This is a big mistake. We saw what happened with FTX. I saw friends lose hundreds of thousands of dollars. Get your crypto to your ledger. We already talked about it in this course because I know it feels easier just to trust Coinbase or trust Binance. Look, just move the crypto out. We've talked about it enough in this lesson. Go back and rewatch that video. Now, a huge mistake number 6 here is people start trading Forex, crypto, options. They start doing all this leverage stuff. They use the leverage before they're actually investing because trading looks exciting. Investing looks boring, but I'd rather make sure that it's a little bit more probable that I have success in boring than, probably a guarantee of my excitement going to lose me money. So the fix is learn to invest first. Trading might be faster, but it's a skill and there's emotions attached. Mistake number 7 is you buy a coin because of the price. Oh, it's half a penny. That is the number 1 way that I know somebody is uneducated about crypto and about the markets. The price has nothing to do with it. It is because of the tokenomics and the supply. So a coin with at 0.01 with 100 billion coins in circulation has a bigger market cap than a coin at $50 with 10 million in circulation. So don't worry about the price of the token. Okay? I don't know if you knew this, but there was a token called Urine Finance that hit $100,000 before Bitcoin. Go do some research. Here's mistake number 8. This is the big one that I told you about, not taking profits on the way up. It's like watching you're starving, you're watching the tree grow that has all the fruit that could save you, and you don't take the fruit off the tree, and then it disappears, it rottens, and you don't take advantage of the opportunity, okay? And why this happens is it'll go higher. It's gotta go higher. I'll take a profit at the anchor. They anchor, I won't get out of Bitcoin until it hits 200,000. You bought it at 10, it went to 100. You took nothing out, come on. Here's the fix, super simple, write this down. Consider taking some profits on the way up. Become one of my students and learn how to make money on the way up. Okay, number 9, comparing your portfolio. Comparison is the thief of all joy, they say. It's a good book. Your goals and your timeline are yours. Stop comparing your process to somebody else's. And number 10, the big mistake. Put a 10 down below in the comments if you made it this far. Panic selling. Selling during a crash out of fear is the fastest way to stay poor, the fastest way to stay broke. And why it happens is fear is a contagious emotion. Faith is not. Belief is not. Having a plan, people don't want a plan. They want to make money fast. Huge mistake. And then they panic sell on the way down. You got to stick to the plan, okay? And the myth here is experienced people don't make these mistakes. Look, everybody starts as a beginner. The difference is learning early as possible and starting, okay, getting in the game and learning from other people's mistakes. So there's 3 words that cover all 10 mistakes. Have a plan, stay patient, keep a perspective. Keep your perspective. You're trading your money. You're investing your money. Don't try to rush the process. And as we wrap up this Get Started free course here on my YouTube, make sure you hit subscribe. And remember, most beginner mistakes come from moving too fast. Slow down, understand it, and then decide, okay? So welcome to my channel. Welcome to this playlist. And you've made it this far. Continue the education on this channel. Reach out to me, link in the description to work directly with me, and understand that it is a process. You're not gonna figure it out in one moment, but you can figure it out. I've helped a lot of people figure it out, and the next run is sooner than people believe. My name's DeFi Mike, and I'll talk to you soon.